Hey guys, what's up?
Hi guys, the Big Boulder here, and today is the first update of my rebuilt Lego City. So yeah, I think we're just going to start right now. And I have something new here. It's, as you can see, a park. I'm going to take it away so you can see it better. It's a park I made. It's yesterday or something like that. Here's the statue of the Lone Ranger. Here you can see Oleole's dog playing with the little ball like a tennis ball or something like that. Here we got the little ice cream shop or information stand for the tourists in the Lego City. And I'm going to put that back on. And you probably wonder why I'm having this in I'm having this brown. It's just because I don't know if it's really in cities, but I made this like a little area just for the park, you know, that this is all it's going here. All this is just an area for the park. And give me thoughts on the park, what you think of the park. And so yeah, now I'm going to look what else is new in the city. Oh look, here we have a little bit more space because I'm going to put there the Perusa restaurant. I'm really excited about that because in 13 days is my birthday, and I can't wait for it to put that there. So yeah, really excited, guys. And over there we got a construction site. Give me also thoughts on that. That's kind of a mock there because it kind of has to look like that. I'm trying to make it look like that a little bit, but then I made it like that. That's the construction site. And you probably wonder why there is so much space. Oh, my 2 VIP cards. You probably wonder why I have 2. That's because I thought I lost my first one, but then we made a new one, and then we thought I don't know, and then I found the old one, and then I had 2. And so yeah, and now you probably wonder why is there so much space, and that's because I'm going to buy another one of this Grand Emporium things and just make it like it's a corner over here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. When I'm going to open this like that, and there's much more space for another one. So because then it looks like a big mall. So yeah, and here we got the little pizza. How does it called again? Oh yeah, Ambrina's Pizza Place. That's my my newest mock for now, except for the park. And that's a new mock, and you can see Krusty the Clown is the mascot of my restaurant, and I'm the chef of this restaurant. And you can take this off and a quick little view inside there. And so yeah, I'm going to make a separate video for that later on. And what else is new? Wait a second, guys. Here the sign for Welcome to Keenan's Bricktown version 2. I made that because Brick Girl 19 made that, and she made that, and I thought, why I'm making this too. So yeah, give me thoughts on what you think of that. Sorry, so much thoughts. And basically the whole city has a new layout, as you could see it. It's a rebuild update. Give me thoughts on what you think of the new update. So yeah, I'm going to look what's there. There's a little sign of Broadway and Bleecker Street. really loving this. Here we got a little Lego store sign, and there's more space to continue the road, the street, or the foot going street. Oh yeah, and you probably wonder why here is so many bricks from the pet shop. That's because that's the last model the last building I have to build together, and Good Cop is going to watch out that no one is going to see it what I'm doing there. So yeah, great job there. Little quick update video for my city. The next update will be today and next month. So yeah, every month I'm going to make every third day of the month. I'm going to make a update video for the city. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Going to see us in the next video. See you.